Birds in the coop, my nigga keep the pistol beside them. They play with us, you know we own them. I know a couple bitches that'll be on your ass at your head and leave them in a coma. I cannot fuck with these niggas, I ride my own wave and they hit it, cause this is my moment. They wasn't fucking with me when a nigga was down, so I gotta flex on my opponents. I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping. Said I had to go get some racks now, so when I hit them all, I put racks down. You can smell all the weed through the packs now. Take your bitch to the crib, blow her back out. Fuck a good, got a check in my background. On my page, tryna see where I'm at now. Hit my phone when you tryna come back round. I can tell she don't know how to act now, cause she hit my phone on the regular. Told her that you not the one, girl, you know that you tripping. I cannot fuck with no skis, or she told me she like to fuck, so I said we can get it. But don't fall in love with a nigga I met her at. Inside the club, it was me and my niggas. And she keep on blowing my phone up, but I cut that bitch up by the end of the winter. I told her, don't you try play with me, I wanna hear what you say about me when I'm around. I know the devil, he chasing me, tryna come take you away from me, I hold you down. I told my haters, keep hating me, I got an army that stay with me, can't take me down. I just been waiting so patiently, I told my mama, just wait for me, look at me now. Cause I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping. Said I had to go get some racks now, so when I hit them all, I put racks down. You can smell all the weed through the packs now. Take your bitch to the crib, blow her back out. Fuck a good, got a check in my background. On my page, tryna see where I'm at now. Hit my phone when you tryna come back round. I can tell she don't know how to act now.